Hello guys, today I want to speak about the difference between aircraft and aeroplane and air traffic and maneuvering area. Airplane, a power-driven and heavier than aircraft. Driving its lift in flight shifted from aerodynamic reaction on the surface, which remain fixed under given condition of flight. Aircraft, any machine that can drive support in the atmosphere from the reaction of the air. Aerodrome, a defined area on land or water including any building and any equipment, intended to be used for arrival and departure and surface movement of aircraft. Air traffic, all aircraft in flight or operating on the maneuvering area of an aerodrome. Maneuvering area, that a part of an aerodrome to be used for takeoff, landing and taxiing of aircraft excluding apron. Bye for now, see you next time.